Have you ever used your smartphone, whether it be an Android or iPhone, for shooting video and noticed that the video comes out kind of shaky? Well, today I just got in from Amazon something that should help. This is the Moza Mini Me 3-axis gimbal for smartphones. So let's get this out of the box and check it out. Okay, so now that I have this box open, when I open the box, we are greeted by yet another package. This one is very nicely sealed. So let's get it out of this package and see what's inside this one. And here it is, the Moza Mini Me wireless phone charging gimbal. Very cool. It has wireless charging, intelligent control, Inception mode, which means it's going to rotate, built-in camera app, track shooting. Oh, that's cool. It can do tracking and live streaming mode. Very nice. On the back, they even included a nice cleaning cloth. And it comes with a little case, mini tripod, a charging cable manual, and the actual Mini Me itself. Let's get this out of the box and see what's inside here. When I open the box, I see a really nice case. That's all that's in the box. This is a really nice case. Let's see what's inside. When I open the box, I see the tripod feet. I see the actual gimbal itself, which fits very nicely in this case. This feels very nice in the hand. And the tripod feet screw right onto the bottom. Very cool indeed. Also included in the case, a little silica gel, which you don't want to eat. And we have a USB cable. And some Moza stickers. We have some information about the app and how to adjust things. And also a quick start guide. All right, I'll check all of this out a little bit later. Whenever you want to shoot video with your phone, essentially you're going to end up with shaky video, and there's really not much you can do about that when you're holding it in your hands, because your hands are actually shaking the entire time you're holding it out. So that's where using a gimbal like this Moza Mini Me comes into play, because while this might be shaky footage, once I mount it into here, the idea is this is going to stabilize the footage. That's why you want to use a stabilizer like this gimbal. So I'm going to put the phone into the gimbal. I'm going to get a couple of shots here just to show you before and after, and I guess we'll see the results. Let's do it. So now I'm just walking with my phone, and as you can see, you know, it's kind of hard to keep it stable. It's kind of hard to keep it from wiggling around, and it's kind of hard to keep it from bouncing around. I'm just holding the phone out in my hand. Okay, now I'm going to walk faster and run, and there's really no way you can keep this stable. There's none. So I'm going to go mount it to the gimbal now so we can see the difference. Now I have put my iPhone into the Moza Mini Me, and I'm doing the exact same thing I was just doing before. I'm walking and I'm going to run, and I should be really, really stable. That's why you want to use a gimbal, because instead of before where the phone was just shaking, now I should be really stable. No more shaky video. Just me shaking around in the video. The cool thing about using the gimbal with the joystick is that you can use it for tilting up and down if you need to get, let's say, a picture of the sky, or maybe you want to see what I see here in the grass, or if I need to pan one way or another. That's just one of the things we can do. The cool thing about having a gimbal is that it works when you are holding the camera like this. So like, let's say if I needed to do a selfie, or I needed to hold it out like this, get some low angle shots, and for that kind of stuff, it works really well. One of the unique functions of the Moza Mini Me is that it can actually charge your phone. So what happens is when you double press the power button, it starts charging your phone automatically. That's pretty cool. Moving your camera around is very easy with the Moza Mini Me because there's a little joystick button here. When you move it around, it pans and tilts, and it's all very, very smooth, so you can get some really nice cinematic action. So one of the cool things about the Moza Mini Me is the pan follow function, in which you draw a little box around your face. I just did that just now. And when I move, the gimbal follows you around. So this is kind of cool because no matter where I go in the frame, the gimbal will follow me. It's a very cool function. One of the other cool features of the Moza Mini Me is the ability to do Inception mode. So now when I go like this, you know, I can easily pan left and right and keep the image nice and smooth. But when I triple tap up on the center button, it allows me to go into Inception mode, which is how you can just make this go around and around in this kind of mode right here. And to get out of it, you just triple tap again, and it returns to normal. Some other functions that are built right in, when you have the app connected, all you need to do is press the center button one time, and I'm now in recording mode. Just press it again to stop it. You can also just double press the center button to take a picture. So let's say I want to take a picture right here. Just press it, bam, I have a picture saved to my camera roll. You can zoom in with the center dial as well, just by churning it. And if I need to just get back, I can just press down and it zooms right back out. These are just some of the features of the Moza Mini Me, and there are tons more. There are time lapses, there are other follow modes, all sorts of things that you can do with it. But I think this Moza Mini Me is a fantastic value, and it's only 99 bucks, and it works great, and there's so many things that you can do with it. How can you beat this? You guys should check it out. Thanks, guys.